How's it guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're going to be doing some analysis on a currency pair EURUSD. Before we hit the charts, just go visit my website. It's on the bottom left corner over here where you can find some nice trading material. There's some nice video categories for you, those of you that's getting started into trading. And also preferred brokers, guys, go check them out. They're absolutely brilliant when it comes to having a reliable broker behind your side. And then also obviously the resource tab where you can download the COT reports, which is updated, and you can download that for free. So let us hit the charts. So we're looking at the 4 hour. We're only going to be focusing on the EURUSD today, and we're looking at the 4 hour time frame. So what happened this week is we can see that price went down. Okay, so what we do is we take off Fibonacci from this swing low to that swing high. Okay, right about there. So we have got a swing low and we have a swing high. And then what we do is we just want to see price returning back or retracing back to this area between the 62 and the 79%. Okay, that's the area we're focusing on, and we want to see price going down there. So obviously price eventually, if it went there, and that is where you place your buy entry. Okay, and as you can see, price just starting moving up. Okay, that's the area that we're wanting to look at. And then towards this last bit of the week, price coming down again, shooting up again. So we still have a little bit of a consolidation happening, towards the end of this week. And this is where we want to see price just moving up again. Okay, but there's obviously two scenarios. Price can start moving down again as well. So for those of you that's got your trades in, just be cautious. We obviously want to see price moving up to make a new high, because it's been following suit, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. So just, keep an eye out on this trade if you have it open. On the COT side of things, because it is the 4 hours, so we're looking at the COT. So we can see some longs being closed in the market, more shorts being closed in the market. So you see that net position still rising up to going to 164K net position. So you can see that movement. But I mean, we have had a nice little move upwards. So some type of retracement can happen. So like I said, for those of you that's in the trade, just be cautious and trade accordingly. Let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. I just wanted to show you guys here. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm not going to be focusing a lot on this 1 hour because I want to move to the 15 minutes. I want to show you guys something there. So this was last week, end of last week that we said, and then price is moving down, breaking that area, and then started to consolidate basically this whole week. Now within this consolidation, okay, if you are trading only higher time frames, it is difficult. Like I just showed you, you can place that, or you would have been into that buy opportunity that was happening now. But within this, you can still trade, and that is where the lower time frames comes into play. So let's move on to the 15 minutes and let's show you how things were done this week. Okay, guys, 15 minutes time frame. So what happened in the 15 minutes time frame? Obviously, we saw the price breaking this area. This was our 1 hour mark. So we saw price jumping down or breaking through that area with a huge downwards movement. Then price started moving up again. Okay, so yes, you could have had opportunities buying over here, okay, on even lower time frames. But on the 15 minutes, we saw price and it started jumping up again. And then this is the area, okay. You need to look at these small little entries in the market. So price going up and then coming down again and then coming back to retrace. So you have a little area over here. Look at that. Okay. There we go. Always keep these areas in mind. And if you go down even lower to a 5 minute time frame, you can see these areas in the market forming. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful entry. And then price shooting down. Okay, that's entries in the market, okay, that you can take. With these, let's call it scalping entries, okay. With these entries, don't hang onto your trade too long, okay. What I normally do is, I'm just gonna do this. Your buy entry or your sell entry is there, and I'm just taking small pips just just to beyond this point of the negative 100. Okay, I don't stay into my trades too long because, like you see there, price starts jumping up again. Okay, this is scalping entries, so I mean that's already a 20 odd pip. Okay, and it depends on your lot sizes and the amount of pips you want to take or whatever, but this is nice practice just to get your entries right. Okay, that's basically what it is about. Then price started moving up again. Okay, going up and then forming a little bit of a high over there. Okay, so now if a price forms a high and it makes a little turn, once again, swing high, swing low. What do? We wait for price to come back to this area of the 62%. Price moving up, going down, don't hit that area. Do you see that? So price missed that area. So what we do is we just extend this. I'm just going to show you now. Oops, excuse me. So price did not reach that area. Okay, so what I do is I just take my Fibonacci and I move it on a little bit to the new low. Okay, so now a new area has been formed, and as you can see right about there, that's where it hits that area in the market. Okay, and again, don't hang into the trade too long. There, nice little downwards movement. I'm just zooming out a little bit. Okay, nice area in the market, a nice little tap that you could have taken. Now you don't have to just sell all the time. Okay, you can buy as well. So just going to highlight again. So we had a 20 pip in the beginning. Now we've got a 50 pip sell. So that in 1 week so far, this is all happening this week. So that's 70 pips, 70 odd pips, let's call it, on only one currency pair. Okay. So now you're out the trade. Now you wait. You see it's consolidating. Okay. You see it's consolidating on the higher time frames. So now, like I said, within a consolidation, you can catch buys and sells. Okay. Always remember that. You can catch buy opportunities and you can catch sell opportunities. There's a swing low. There's a swing high. Okay. That's the area that you're looking for. You want to get price to retrace to this area. Okay. Because now let's have a look at some buy opportunities within the consolidation. Price not getting there yet. Just zooming out a little bit. So we wait until price gets to that area. Okay, this is where you're sitting on your hands. I'm just going to extend it a little bit. And extend this. Because now we're just waiting for price to retrace back. It went to the 50%. It's not good enough. I wanted to go to the 62% area. That's what I'm waiting for. You see these highs. These highs have been taken out. Okay, there was a high. I'm just going to take this out quickly here. Just want to show you something. And I'm going to take this out. Okay, let's just remove this. Price formed a high over here. And then, there we go. That was a high. And if I'm zoom in here, the high was taken out. Okay. Now price created a high over here. So I'm waiting for price to retrace back to this area. And then my target is obviously going to be this high over there. That's what I'm waiting for. So price comes. It does not take out that high yet. It's still intact. Still intact. There. Look at that. Bam. That's your opportunity in the market. I'm just going to take the Fibonacci out. Don't want too many lines on my chart. That's going to be my target area. Right there. That's going to be my target area for price. And if it hits it, I'm going to be sitting with another 40 odd pip trade. And bam, right there. Look there. Now I'm out the market. Okay, I'm out. Price went, it tapped it. So what do? Now I wait again. Okay. Now I'm waiting. I'm waiting for some type of a retracement or whatever. So you always wait for these opportunities in the market, guys. I want those highs being taken out. I want swing highs and swing lows to form. Okay, that's the areas in the market that I'm waiting for. Okay, over here, look here. Okay, that's a swing low, swing high. Right there. Price tapping into that. Look here. Look at how price tapped into that area. There's a high in the market over here. You see that? Okay, that's going to be my target area. Because the previous high was taken out. Now I'm wanting price to go up to this area again. I'm waiting to see if price hits that area. Okay, you're in the trade and bam, it hits it. Right there. Okay, as you can see. Right there. Those are the areas in the market that I'm always looking at. And again, that's another couple of pips in the bag. So I want you guys to practice this. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the 1 hour time frame. I'm just going to go back to the 1 hour time frame. And like you see, consolidating this whole week. And like I just showed you, you can catch a lot of pips when it comes to price being in consolidation. Okay, so I'm just going to wait and see. For those of you that's in a bigger trade on a bigger higher or the higher time frames, I'm just going to wait. I want to see price breaking behind or above this area and below this area, and then trade accordingly. So that's basically what we're going to wait for. I'm hoping price moves up. Okay, for those of you that's in that buy opportunity on the 4 hour time frame. So let's see what happens this week on this currency pair. But again, go back, excuse me, practice your Fibonacci's on the lower time frames. And as you can see, it doesn't matter what state the market is in, it will always give you opportunities to trade and catch some pips. And remember, taking pips is what it's all about. Just practice your skill, make your skill better. And then, like I said, the money, doesn't matter how much money you make or the amount you trade, it will come. Okay, and the better you get at your skill, the better you will be in trading. So that's all from my side, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell. Show me some love by hitting that super thanks, and I will be seeing you in the next video this weekend. So guys, I hope you're staying safe and happy trading, guys.